Hello everyone, it's a Sunday, so we have the weekly tech news. Now, after a long time I have very little news, so I'll cover it straight away. Just as always, if you like the video, it would be wonderful if you can subscribe to the channel, and if you have already subscribed, you can comment, share, whatever you want. Okay, let's get started. The EU made USB Type-C for all electronic gadgets compulsory, but it will come into effect only from 2024. So there is still 1.5 years for all the, and not all the, just Apple to get ready for it. And most others, around the world, mostly all gadgets are USB Type-C anyway. I think some laptops will need to get used to it, but yeah, they've given enough time for phone manufacturers. It's 2024, and laptop and other gadgets even sometime later. But it's USB Type-C for all gadgets. The EU has passed that law. Tecno Pova3 is coming to India with 7,000 mAh battery. That's the biggest selling point. There are some other high-end specs, but 7,000 mAh, yeah, that's the biggest one. Okay, WhatsApp group size has raised to 502 members, so now it could be 512 members. It was 256 earlier on. Okay, Telegram Premium is coming because the co-founder Pavel Durov mentioned it in his official account, as an official update on his Telegram account. It's coming this month. Nothing Phone1 pre-orders are live on Flipkart. You pay 2,000 rupees and then you can book it, and when you buy the phone on the launch day, 12th of July, you can deduct that 2,000 rupees and then pay the rest of the amount, whatever the cost would be, whatever the price of the phone would be. Poco F4 is coming soon. The official account is teasing a lot of things: 12 GB RAM, Snapdragon 870, this, that, whatever. So there's liquid cooling and all that features. They are teasing it every other day on official Poco account. Galaxy Z Flip 4 live images leaked, and yeah, you can have an idea of what the new phone would look like. And talking about leaks, the Pixel 6a, this is the third video that it has leaked, unboxing and comparison. So this is from a Malaysian Youtuber, but it's leaked again, third time now already. Google Maps will show AQI, like air quality index, around you now. If you open Google Maps, it will show you. That's about it. Yeah, that's really quick one. That's all, and I'll see you next week. Thank you for being here as always. Talk to you soon.